Laundry Hamper is a practical storage solution designed to keep clothes organized and spaces clutter-free worldwide. Built with durable fabric or reinforced materials, it features a large capacity, breathable design, sturdy handles, and a foldable structure for easy storage. Lightweight yet strong, Laundry Hamper is ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, and dorms, offering convenient laundry organization with a clean, modern look. Wine decanter is designed to enhance aroma and flavor by allowing wine to breathe properly. Crafted from premium crystal or lead-free glass, it features an elegant wide base, smooth pouring neck, and drip-free spout. Wine decanter improves taste, softens tannins, and adds a touch of luxury, making it perfect for home use, gifting, and wine lovers worldwide. Towel warmer delivers spa-like comfort at home by heating towels evenly for a warm, cozy feel. Designed with fast heating technology, large capacity, and energy-efficient operation, it fits bathrooms easily. The towel warmer keeps towels dry, fresh, and hygienic, making it ideal for daily use, cold climates, and luxury home upgrades worldwide. Clothes dryer offers fast, efficient drying with powerful airflow and adjustable heat settings for all fabric types. Built with a large drum capacity, energy-efficient motor, and safety auto shutoff, it reduces wrinkles and drying time. The clothes dryer is compact, durable, and ideal for modern homes, apartments, and global daily laundry needs. Smart Curtain brings convenience and automation to your home with app and voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. Featuring quiet motor operation, scheduled opening and closing, remote access, and manual override, it improves privacy and energy efficiency. Smart Curtain is easy to install, compatible with most curtain tracks, and perfect for modern smart homes worldwide. Pilates Board is a compact all-in-one fitness solution designed for core strength, flexibility, and full body toning. Built with a sturdy anti-slip base, resistance bands, smooth glide wheels, and ergonomic handles, it supports multiple Pilates and strength exercises. Lightweight, durable, and easy to store, Pilates Board is ideal for home workouts and global fitness enthusiasts. Flower Lamp blends elegant floral design with soft ambient lighting to elevate any room decor. Crafted with durable materials, it features energy-efficient LED light, touch or remote control options, adjustable brightness, and warm color tones. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or gifts. Flower Lamp delivers style, relaxation, and modern illumination, loved worldwide. Smart LED offers powerful, energy-efficient lighting with full smart control for modern homes. It supports app and voice control, millions of RGB colors, adjustable brightness, timers, and music sync. Easy to install and long-lasting, Smart LED enhances mood, saves energy, and delivers a premium global smart lighting experience. Sofa Table is a stylish and space-saving furniture piece designed for modern living rooms. It fits perfectly behind or beside sofas, offering a sturdy surface for lamps, decor, snacks, or laptops. Built with durable materials, a stable frame, and a sleek finish, Sofa Table adds functionality, organization, and global home decor appeal. Shoe Cabinet is a smart storage solution designed to keep footwear organized and dust-free. Featuring a compact, space-saving design, durable construction, and multiple shelves, Shoe Cabinet fits seamlessly in entryways or bedrooms. With easy access doors, modern styling, and strong load capacity, it enhances cleanliness, organization, and global home decor appeal. Sofa Armrest Tray is a practical and stylish accessory designed to enhance comfort and convenience globally. Featuring a sturdy, non-slip surface, cup holder, tablet or phone slot, and durable materials, it easily rests on sofa arms. Lightweight, portable, and easy to clean, Sofa Armrest Tray is perfect for drinks, snacks, and devices, making it a top choice for modern living rooms. Turntable dining tables are elegant, functional furniture pieces designed for global homes and restaurants, featuring a rotating tabletop for easy serving, durable materials, sleek design, and sturdy legs. They enhance dining convenience and style. Compact yet spacious, turntable dining tables are perfect for family meals, gatherings, and modern decor, making them a top global choice for practical and stylish dining experiences. Pants hangers are practical wardrobe accessories designed to organize and protect trousers worldwide. Featuring non-slip grips, sturdy metal or plastic construction, space-saving slim design, and swivel hooks, they keep pants wrinkle-free and accessible. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, pants hangers are ideal for closets, retail displays, and global home organization, making them a top choice for neat, efficient storage. Dr. Air Fryer is a compact, high-efficiency cooking appliance designed for modern kitchens worldwide. Featuring rapid hot air circulation, adjustable temperature and timer settings, non-stick cooking basket, and energy-efficient design, it delivers crispy, healthy meals with minimal oil. Easy to clean and user-friendly, Door Air Fryer is perfect for snacks, vegetables, and meats, making it a top global choice for convenient, guilt-free cooking. Digital Weather Station is a precise, multifunctional device designed for accurate weather monitoring worldwide, featuring temperature, humidity, barometric pressure sensors, time and date display, alarm and forecast icons. It provides real-time updates. Compact, easy to mount, and energy efficient, Digital Weather Station is ideal for homes, offices, and outdoor planning, making it a top global choice for reliable weather tracking. Electric Wine. Chiller is a modern, efficient appliance designed to chill wine quickly and evenly worldwide. Featuring adjustable temperature control, rapid cooling technology, durable construction, and easy-to-use digital display, it preserves flavor and aroma. Compact, stylish, and energy efficient, Electric Wine Chiller is perfect for home, parties, and restaurants, making it a top global choice for wine enthusiasts. Electric Juicer is a high-performance kitchen appliance designed for fresh juice worldwide. Featuring powerful motor, stainless steel blades, pulp separation, multiple speed settings, and easy-to-clean design, it extracts maximum nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Compact, durable, and efficient, Electric Juicer is perfect for daily use, smoothies, and healthy drinks, making it a top global choice for nutrition and convenience. Cocktail Maker is a stylish, easy-to-use appliance designed for creating professional, quality drinks worldwide. Featuring automatic mixing, adjustable recipes, built-in ice crusher, precise measurements, and durable construction, it crafts cocktails efficiently. Compact, user-friendly, and easy to clean, Cocktail Maker is perfect for home bars, parties, and gatherings, making it a top global choice for bartenders and enthusiasts. Drying Mat is a practical kitchen accessory designed for fast, hygienic drying worldwide. Featuring absorbent microfiber material, anti-slip backing, quick dry technology, and easy-to-clean design, it protects countertops from water and spills. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, Drying Mat is ideal for dishes, glassware, and utensils, making it a top global choice for organized, efficient, and eco-friendly kitchen use.